Good morning, everyone. Hope you all are fit and fine. Dear students, today we are going to start chapter number 8, Models, taken from our English practice book. Students, as you all know, beta, that language is a means of giving and getting information. Simple statements alone fail to express intentions. We make use of models to make the purpose of our statements clear. बेटा मॉडल्स आर एक्चुअली स्पेशल ऑक्सिलरीज ऑक्सिलरीज क्या होती हैं बेटा हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स ओके वी कैन से स्टूडेंट्स मॉडल्स आर स्पेशल ऑक्सिलरीज और मॉडल्स आर स्पेशल हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स दे आर also called model auxiliary verbs beta model auxiliaries do not change their form okay they do not change their form according to the gender and number of the subject remember this point कि model auxiliaries जो है बेटा they do not change their form according to the gender and number of the subject for example students you can write down he can she can you can I can okay like this बेटा model auxiliaries जो है are called models इन्हें हम models क्यों कहते हैं because students they express the mode or manner mode or manner means तरीका okay work करने का they express the mode or manner of the actions denoted by the main verbs कि whether the work can be done or not कि क्या ये काम किया जा सकता है या नहीं whether the work can be done or not whether the action should take place or not कि क्या ये वर्क होना चाहिए या नहीं होना चाहिए whether the action is necessary or not कि ये काम जरूरी है important है या नहीं है okay whether there is hope for the completion of the work or not now students these are some models let's read it note the following models students can could may might must ought to used to, shall, should, will, would, dare, need. Beta, these all are models. Okay, these all are models. बेटा मॉडल्स आर यूज हम मॉडल्स को क्यों यूज़ करते हैं बेटा टू मेक रिक्वेस्ट बेटा हमें अगर किसी से कोई रिक्वेस्ट करनी है टू मेक रिक्वेस्ट ऑफर सजेशन वी यूज़ मॉडल फॉर एग्जांपल स्टूडेंट्स अगर आपको किसी से कोई रिक्वेस्ट करनी है तब हम मॉडल का यूज़ करते हैं फॉर एग्जांपल बेटा कुड यू प्लीज़ हेल्प मी हमने यहाँ मॉडल यूज़ करा कुड यू प्लीज़ हेल्प मी ओके देन स्टूडेंट्स हमें किसी से परमिशन लेनी है may I come in sir for polite conversation we use model okay may I come in sir okay may I go out sir like this बेटा हमें किसी को एडवाइस देनी है सलाह देनी है तब हम मॉडल यूज़ करेंगे शुड फॉर एग्जांपल बेटा यू शुड टेक एक्सरसाइज यू शुड स्पीक ट्रूथ लाइक दिस ओके बेटा हम बेटा किसी से विश कर रहे हैं हम गॉड से प्रे कर रहे हैं तब बेटा हमने मॉडल यूज़ करा may for example बेटा may God bless you okay हम बेटा स्टूडेंट्स किसी को सजेशन दे रहे हैं shall we go for a picnic okay हम बेटा अपनी एबिलिटी शो कर रहे हैं I can speak French okay I can dance like this students we use models okay बेटा models are used to make requests offers and suggestions they can be used to express our wishes or intentions. There are models for polite conversation. They may indicate that towards ability or inability. For example, I can solve this sum. I cannot solve this sum like this. Okay. Models indicate possibility. क्या संभावना है models indicate possibility, likelihood or certainty. Now beta, you will read in this chapter how models are used to communicate your intentions effectively. Let's start with the worksheet number 1, students. John, a businessman, shifts to the house next to Mr. Arya's. Nikki finds him a little peculiar in many ways. She writes the following letter about John to one of her friends. Now read the letter. 14 Exit Lane, Visit City, 23rd Jan 2020. We can write down, Dear Monica, John uncle is my next door neighbor. He is a strange person. Though he is a businessman, he keeps practicing weightlifting for the whole day. We keep hearing strange sounds from his house. Earlier, he used to, बेटा हमने used to मॉडल का यहाँ यूज़ करा है to show past habit, हमारी past की habit show करने के लिए. Okay. Earlier, he used to go to the gym regularly. There, he would lift weights. I believe he can lift 200 kg. उनमें ability है, capacity है कि वो 200 kg weight जो lift कर सकते हैं. Capacity के लिए हमने कौन सा model यूज़ करा बेटा? Can. I believe he can lift 200 kg. He claims that he could lift much heavier weights. Past की ability show कर रहे हैं बेटा. तब हमने model क्या यूज़ करा? Could. For present ability बेटा हमने model यूज़ करा can. और बेटा फॉर पास्ट एबिलिटी जब हमें पास्ट एबिलिटी शो करनी है बेटा देन वी यूज मॉडल could. Okay, I believe he can lift 200 kg. He claims that he could lift much heavier weights when he used to go to the gym regularly. He says that he might participate. कि possibility है कि वो participate करे. Possibility के लिए हमने use करा model might. Okay, he says that he might participate in a weightlifting competition. He also thinks that he might win a prize. He keeps making such claims about himself. What opinion do you form about him? A line from you will inspire me. Yours lovingly, Nikki. Now, students, answer the following questions. Okay, answer the following questions taking clues from the phrases or words given in the poll. The first one has been done for you. The student, first one. What does Nikki hear daily? Students, she daily hears strange sounds from John's house. What did John do regularly? John used to go to the gym regularly. How much weight can he lift, students? He can lift weight up to 200 kg. Okay, then students, how much weight could he lift earlier? कि वो पहले कितना वेट जो उठा सकते थे? Could. पहले की बात हो रही है. Okay, earlier. Students, he could lift more than 200 kg. Then beta, what does he say about the possibility of his future in weightlifting career? Students, he says that he might participate in a weightlifting competition. And students, he also thinks that he might win a prize. Okay, students, like this, students, try to complete worksheet number 1. Okay, beta. Now, students, let's move on to the worksheet number 2. Read the table given below to know the expressions used to convey habits, possibility, and ability. Yes, students, it's very important table. Try to understand it very carefully. Okay, model students, ability show करने के लिए बेटा हमने model use करा है for past ability. We use model could. Good example beta. He knew he could win. He could not solve the sum. For present or future ability के लिए बेटा हमने model use करा can. She can speak French. She can get this job. Okay, present or future ability के लिए बेटा हम model use कर रहे हैं can, and for past ability we use model could. Now students, for possibility. The crew might have repaired the ship already. For past possibility, students, we are talking here. She could be in the kitchen. You might have left your book in the school. I could also join the trip to Jaipur. Okay, students, यहाँ हमने model use करे could, might for the past possibility. Now, students, they may be sleeping now. You may be right. The crew may repair the ship next week. The sky is cloudy. It could rain. Okay, for present or future possibility that students we used model may. Habits और routines को बेटा अगर हमें show करना है तो बेटा हम model use करते हैं would and used to. Okay, habits और routines को show करने के लिए for example बेटा he would sit there for hours. he used to go for a walk regularly. would and used to मॉडल को हमने यूज करा बेटा पास्ट हैबिट और पास्ट रूटीन शो करने के लिए. ओके. For present and future students, a dog will usually obey its master. I am used to such noises. The students, the following points should be clear from the above table. Present and future ability के लिए मॉडल यूज करा can. For past ability बेटा हमने मॉडल यूज करा good. Okay. Then students, for good possibility मॉडल may. Okay. वीक पॉसिबिलिटी बहुत कम पॉसिबिलिटी है बेटा, तब हमने मॉडल क्या यूज़ करा माइट. और बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा वीक है, वेरी वीक पॉसिबिलिटी, देन हमने मॉडल यूज़ करा कुड. हैबिट्स और रूटीन्स, इसके लिए हमने मॉडल यूज़ करा बेटा वुड एंड यूज. यस बेटा, रीड दिस टेबल वंस अगेन. ओके, रीड इट वंस अगेन एंड ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द वर्कशीट नंबर 3. I might be the first boy to climb across the Atlantic Ocean. You might hurt yourself. If a big metal aeroplane can fly, so can I. यहाँ ability show करने के लिए बेटा हमने कौन सा मॉडल यूज़ करा है can. If a big metal aeroplane can fly, so can I. What's the problem, Superman? What's the problem? I may be wrong. I may be wrong. Possibility कि शायद मैं जो है wrong हो सकता हूँ. Now students, read the statements given in the cartoon strip again, and then students after that write down. Okay, write them in the appropriate column of the given chart showing various usages of models कि आपने कौन सा मॉडल कहाँ यूज़ करा है फॉर विच पर्पज़. फॉर एग्जाम्पल स्टूडेंट्स, आपने एबिलिटी शो करने के लिए मॉडल यूज़ करा है कैन. then you can write down in the column of present future ability model can. Like this students, you can complete this worksheet. Okay students, now beta try to complete worksheet 1 to 3 in your books. Okay students, that's all for today beta. Thanks and have a nice day.